Good morning, Travis. This is Scott Walker making this quick video for you, showing you how I've helped other auto glass companies with their website, Google Business Profile, and Google Ads, and the possibilities of possibly working together. So I usually start with your website and then go over those other things, and we could go from there. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We can set up a discovery call. So here's your website right here. Nice professional looking website. I love that it's on WordPress. But one thing I really recommend for most websites that I see are more content. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, what that means is a location and also a service. So like windshield replacement Gilbert, windshield replacement Phoenix. Those are all the types of buyer intent keywords I go after because those are the people who are looking for your service right now. The other thing you could do is if you save your imagery correctly, instead of it saying windshield replacement gallery right there, that could say windshield replacement Gilbert or auto glass repair with the location, and that counts as content because it's embedded behind the photo as well. I do use a tool called Ahrefs to show me your analytics and where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. And you're currently at 0.2 and 9 due to your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 176 keywords, and you're getting about 66 people to your website each and every month. This is a third-party tool, so it's not exact, but that's a rough guesstimate. So these are the types of keywords that you're being indexed for. Windshield replacement Gilbert, Arizona, there's 250 searches. You're in the 3rd position, so that's really awesome. It looks like you are doing some SEO for your website right now. The only thing I don't like about mobile glass replacement near me is there's 250 searches over the country, but if I'm in Utah and you're in Arizona, if I search this and you're number 1 for this one, it doesn't really bring you anybody that would actually be worth going to your website. Whereas Gilbert, Arizona windshield replacement, those are localized, and those are the types of ones that will bring you new customers. So those are the types of buyer intent keywords that I also look after as well. So I did just do a quick search for windshield replacement Gilbert right up top, or where your ads can happen right here. This is where I've helped a lot of auto glass companies maximize on their ad spend. You also want to have as many keywords as many words in your ad as there are the keywords. So like this is windshield replacement, repair, windshield replacement, but it doesn't say where. So just keep an eye on that. Like you always want to try and include a location, even if it's just like the Greater Valley of Phoenix or something like that, or Phoenix and surrounding areas, so that you know that hey, this is the right place. So that's one way to get a good click-through rate. Then when you have people going to your landing page, what you want to do is have like a click to call up top, form submit right here, what you do, where you do it, and then any promotions, things like that. And then the background imagery should be relevant to what your search term is. So if it's a windshield, that's have a windshield being replaced in the background. If you do RVs or anything like that, then have an RV being worked on in the background, and that will really get a good conversion rate once they go to your landing page. And then we move down into the Google Business Profile. Looks like you guys are doing really good. 263 reviews is really good. The only thing I'd really recommend is to try and start ranking for different keywords in different areas. So you might be doing really good with windshield replacement in Gilbert, but what about in Chandler or Mesa? Because you can have within a 30-mile radius. So if you are ranking for those keywords in those other locations, that's what I'd really focus on your Google Business Profile. And then we move down into the organics, and it looks like Pinnacle Auto Glass is one of your top competitors. Oh, I forgot to kind of show you the searches that don't have any locations attached to them, and this is kind of your ads as well. Sorry about that. But for windshield replacement, there was 1,600 searches last month, just in Chandler, Mesa, and Gilbert. So, I mean, being in front of 1,600 searches a month, these are your kind of high and low ranges for top of page bid. Those can be affected by how you have your ad set up and a few other things. But So, like, as you can see, there's 1600 here, 720, 720, 720, so another 2100, 4,000 searches easy just for windshield replacements. And that doesn't even include the ones that are like 400, 500, 200. So, like, those are the types of ones that I'd get in front of for you as well. Once again, going over to Pinnacle Auto Glass, this is a back page that's being ranked, so usually those are a lot easier to rank for than some. But looking at their page, they have a little bit more content on here, so when you have more content, better buyer intent keywords, the citations and backlinks, then you're going to start outranking these guys, and people will be going to your website instead of theirs. So I hope that this made some sense for you, and if you, if you want to have a discovery call, let's set it up. I'll reach out and we'll talk soon. Have a good one, Travis. Thanks.